All right, guys, good evening and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. So today we're going to be going over how to draw the 3/4 view picture. So we're going to start with our model here. I've already outlined the shapes of the side of the face that we're going to use as we go through this. So for these, we're going to just kind of use a pencil and go through it, okay? So we're going to draw these shapes here. We're going to start with shape number 1, and we're just going to kind of practice by drawing our profile in shapes first instead of lines, okay? So shape number 1. Now we're going to go to shape number 2, which this will be my brow line, and then he has a little bit of a bulb underneath that line. So we got 2 continuous shapes going on here. Then we're going to do our cheekbone line here, and then we're going to do our secondary cheek line here, and then we're going to go into our jawline or our chin line. And then we're going to go to the back of the face here to complete this shape here, okay? Now once we get there, we're going to go to our ear shape. So we're going to go here. And then we're going to go to our hair shape. So what we're going to do is go up here, and we're going to draw this shape here. This is an excellent way to practice. It's going to really get your 3/4 view shapes down better. So try them out and see how it works for you. Up here, I'm going to do the top of the hair, and then back here we're going to do the back, and it just kind of melts down like so. And from there we'll go into our next shape, and then we have our shirt shape, and of course everything down here I'm going to make slightly smaller, but that looks really good right there, okay? Now, once we finish doing all of these shapes, you can see we got our drawing down pretty easily. Now we can go back and we can put our features in, okay? So since this is the brow line, what we're gonna do is use this line as a continuation of our brow line. In other words, I'm just gonna kind of extend off of this and do like this, because all of this technically is like an eyebrow. You get what I'm saying? Okay, it's an eyebrow like kind of going into that shape. Then over here, we have another eyebrow kind of doing the same thing. So we're going to do something like this, right? And bring that shape in, okay? So I'm just going to shade it in real quick. All right, now from the brow shape, we're going to go to our nose shape. So for our nose, we're just going to kind of break in here. We're going to do a big, kind of wide, big nose. Okay, then we'll draw a nostril here, and then we'll draw our other side of our nose. All right, let's go ahead and round the nose off. So we want to give the nose a little bit of form. So we'll just add those 2 shapes in, and then we're going to go down here to our mouth shape. Okay, so how this is going to work, we're going to just kind of do like this. We're going to come around. We're going to go around, we're going to come around here, and we're going to do that too as well, okay? So what we did was we used our secondary cheek line to help us to form this line. So watch where this is in relation to this shape here, this shape right here, okay? And then we'll add our lip shape on the bottom and our lip shape on the top and our chin, little cleft here. And then we can add some little hairs like this. And this will make us go into our beard shape. All of this is going to be like his beard. Okay. Now, from there, we're going to go into our eye shape. So for these eyes here, I want to say he has a classic, I think his eyes are round, but they're rather small. So what I'm going to do here is I'm also going to do an over bite of the eye. So I'm going to do a shape like this. Then I'm going to come around here and come from under that shape and then do something like this. And then I'm going to go over here and do the same thing. 1, 2, and then I'm going to come from up under this shape here. Kind of do the same thing. Let's add some eyeballs in there. Okay. And some eyes and some lighting in the eyes, okay? And then we'll add just a few wrinkles in the forehead But pretty much we can see how our drawing lined up very well using this system. You have to learn, we need to learn how to use these shapes on the side so that we can form the whole head. Okay, I do offer a one-on-one classes, so if you want to take a one-on-one class with me to learn a little bit more about this, you can learn at Rowserworld.com/classes. Take a class with us and we can show you a little bit more about this. But just remember, practice your profile line. This line right here with those shapes, if I were to take a marker, it just kind of would just be like I did like this, just to show you. See, this would be that profile line if we're drawing live and we're not using pencils. You get what I'm saying? This is how it works. And then you put all your shapes in like so. Get that head shape, feature shapes, and from there this gets kind of easy. Okay, all right, so that's how you draw the 3/4 view caricature. I hope that you learned something today. Watch this over and over. Don't forget to share. Have a blessed and awesome day, and I'll see you next time.